wind blows hard across the Arabian Gulf. Only two people in Saudi are thinking about how big the waves are. Me and my dad. You see, we are Saudi's surf pioneers, the first people in the world to consistently surf Al-Khafji's waves. When we say goodbye to the kingdom, we'll leave behind a lifetime of memories and a legacy in the sea.
swell coming in today in Saudi Arabia, here at Corniche Beach. I'm just walking up to check Corniche Point. Small swell, 1 metre at 4 seconds.
It's mostly flat here in Saudi Arabia, that's why we love ripsticking down the slope. But I'm so excited to get back to Sharjah so I can surf every day.
It was 6 years ago when I arrived in the Saudi kingdom with a suit in my luggage and a surfboard under my arm. That first winter, surprisingly powerful Arabian Gulf swells arrived on Al-Khafji's beaches, which quickly allowed me to become the first ever surfer in the country. In the new year, my wife arrived just in time to photograph Saudi Arabia's best ever waves, good enough to attract the attention of a Lebanese fashion Bible, who ran a 6-page spread and made me famous in this city as its first and only surfer. Over the years that followed, it was my son who took over from me. In a kingdom of 7 million kids, he was the country's only wave rider. So the two of us became Saudi's surf pioneers and had some truly epic and unforgettable experiences in the sea.
Raf he's practicing his paddling around today, ready for Siargao.
It's flat today in Saudi, that's why I'm practicing in the pool.
So this week we're applying for a visa for Mart and Rafael. So please keep us in your prayer. And now I'm gonna swim.
In 68 days, Raf and I will leave Saudi Arabia forever. Whether anyone will be inspired enough to follow in our footsteps isn't clear right now, but the waves are waiting. Who knows what Khafji will be like in 2030, perhaps the Middle East's newest surf destination.